that took a bit of cleaning. Whew. I've just been asked an interesting question. If I was to take this off and then put it back on again, would it run true? And there's only one way to find out. And that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Is whip it off and give it a damn good clean on the back. And see, when we put it back, that's exactly how it was before. There we go. It's going to come off in one go, that. Nearly. There we go. Whew. They're seriously heavy, them things. Like you can see, pretty grimy. So I'm going to get it a tub of water and give it a good clean off. I may paint it, I may not. We'll have to see. I think a bit of fairy liquid, engine degreaser. Out of a leaky bottle, obviously. Is the order of the day. And a toothbrush, of course. Let's see what we've got. Well, the Dremel's the tool to take the sharp edges off, so I'm happy with that. And the back, that's turned out reasonably well. So we'll pop it back on and see if it's running true. Hopefully it is. There you go. It is running true. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Pretty damn close. I'm happy with that. And that's after taking it off and putting it back on again. So a couple of things I did learn while doing this project is go for a negative rake carbide bit, take the faceplate on and off, and find the low and high spots twice to make sure it's not a problem with debris on the spindle nose. And if you're still getting the high and low spots in the same place, then it's worth machining the face off and matching it to your lathe. And that's all I can say on the matter. So I hope that was of interest to you all, and please subscribe and press the like button and help my channel to grow. Thank you very much. I knew I was bloody right. Hee hee.